In this video, we want to talk a little bit about the TradeNet.com trading program. Before we get into it, I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel. It helps us making future videos and helps us to continue to make videos that you actually like and want to watch. Check out our other videos on our channel also. We have some other trading program reviews. We just finished one on warrior trading, which we'll put down in the links below so you can take a look at it if you're interested in day trading. But today we want to talk about TradeNet.com and their day trading and training program. The program is primarily run by a gentleman named Meir Barak, and I probably didn't say his name right, but he wrote a book called The Market Whisperer, which is actually a very good book that we've read numerous times and use it in our trading. I'm going to put the link to the book down in the links below also, in case you'd like to take a look at it. It's a good investment, and I can recommend the book certainly. About the trading program, TradeNet is a little different as far as day trading systems go, or day trading programs. One thing that we like about it quite a bit is they have a couple of different programs that you can subscribe for. And one is the intro program, which costs $500, but that $500 actually goes into a trading account so that when you start live trading, you can day trade following their rules. That account, once you complete their trading program, you do have to complete their trading program, and if you can prove yourself, through the trading program and through some practice and virtual trading that you can trade, then you can put that $500 toward an account that they use to let you day trade without having to meet the $25,000 minimum requirement for day trading. Obviously you need to know what you're doing. Don't jump into this if you're not sure how to day trade and you haven't completed their courses. But it is a cheaper way for you to get into day trading if you do not have the $25,000 up front. And the way they leverage their trading program is a little different than a standard day trading program. So you can actually trade quite a few shares with that $500. They have different levels of the program. They have the next level up be the student level, and it's $3,000. You get some additional training, but also you get to trade more shares because you have more of an initial investment. Like I said, you can actually trade a lot more shares than this $3,000 because of the way the margin works and what they're trading. So you can, with a $3,000 account, you could day trade pretty actively in their program. The expert program, again, you get some additional training, including their Forex trader course. It's $6,000. And then their top trader course comes with a $9,000 price tag, and that's for 1 year. But again, this money that you're investing, you get to trade with. Now, we started when we did the program. First of all, we did the 14-day trial, and I would recommend doing that before anything. And they'll also give you a free trading book and a free trading course, and there's a 5-day demo challenge where you actually get to day trade for 5 days. It's not real money, but you get to virtual trade for 5 days. And again, you would do that after you did the free trading and the free training. So you would have a little bit of an idea, but you're not ready. I mean, obviously you don't want to start day trading after a few days trading. But if you go through their entire program, even if you do the $500, which is the one we started with, was the $500 to see if we liked it and to see if the program worked for us for a year. It did work. We actually liked the way they trade quite a bit. It suited our style of trading. Again, if you watched our video on warrior trading, they use a different trading system for day trading than the TradeNet does. It's similar in some aspects because TradeNet does have a momentum factor, but they tend to trade larger cap stocks, and they tend to teach trading setups and different chart patterns, which is a little bit easier to follow. It's a little bit slower pace. You tend to stay out of the first 15 minutes of the market, whereas in Warrior you're in the first 15 minutes of market. Really, both of these programs that we've looked at are very good, and we like both of them. We like the training in both of them. On the live chat, Meir was on some, but while we were there, he wasn't there continuously. There was another trader that handled most of the trading that went on in the account and would call out different levels to watch for. But it's fairly easy to, once you go through their training course, to find the stocks to trade. So we thought that there was certainly value in their course. And again, if you look at this $500 over, say a year-long program, that's really not very much. Well, that's what, $60 a month. Or actually, that's not even right, is it? It's $41 a month. Sorry, I can't do math in my head anymore. So about almost $42 a month is what that costs. And for that, you're going to get the demo training account, the live chat room, which is very valuable, and the self-study course. Now you can, again, go up and do the student one, where you're going to get a weekly membership and a starter trader course, which is additional training. We did not get the weekly. Well, actually, we did do a little bit. We got weekly mentorship for a couple of weeks, and I believe we got the Star Trader course as part of a coupon that we had, I believe, when we signed up, because we got more than just what the standard course provided. We'd also actually read his book, The Market Whisperer, before we signed up, so we had an idea about how he traded. You get introduced in some other topics in the Market Whisperer book than they get into in a lot of detail here, but you will be able to see the crossover. We enjoyed our time at TradeNet. We thought that, especially at the $500 level, we certainly thought that the training was worth that you get. It was very valuable. It taught you a lot about day trading. As you go up in price, it really depends on how serious you are about day trading. Because of the way that they do their programs, if you say you went for the $9,000 course, well, that actually, not only does it get you some extra training, it also gets you a fully funded account, which the $500 does also, but you can trade a lot more. So for this instance, the expert level course, the pro level course, it says that you're basically going to have a $240,000 funded account, and you get to keep 85% of the profits. So for $9,000, you can trade $240,000 worth of stock and get to keep 85% of what you make of the profit. The other 15% the company gets to keep, to be TradeNet. And that's actually not a bad deal if you do not have the $25,000 that it would cost to open up your own day trading account here in the United States. So it's really a pretty good deal. And like I said, we did it with a $500 account, which gave you a lot less trading capital. I can't remember exactly. I think it was around $20,000 that we worth of stocks that we could trade, if I remember correctly. And we had we got to keep a certain percentage. We had other trading accounts, and we really did this just to see what was being taught and what we could learn. So we didn't invest a lot of our funds into it. That's why we went with the $500 one. We figured that just for the training, it would probably be worth that. I can say that I do not believe that TradeNet is a scam. I think it's a good program. I think if you want to learn to day trade, or you just want to learn more about trading in general, this is a good place to start. It's a good program to go through. We are in no way affiliated with TradeNet. We are not an affiliate or anything for them. I'm going to put a link to their website down in the comments below also, so you can find their website a little bit easier. But we get nothing for that. We have not been paid for this review in any way. This is our honest opinion about what we thought about TradeNet. But in the comments below, like I said, I'll put the website. I will put a link to Meir's book, The Market Whisperer, for you. And also I'll put a link to the Warrior Trading video that we did previous to this one, because it was another program that we also liked, but it's completely different the way it works. So they're both day trading courses, but they perform completely differently. We hope we've been help to you today. Please put comments below if you've done business with TradeNet. If you tried them out, we'd love to have your comments on that also. Any other comments you'd like to have, or if there are other programs you'd like us to look into, I'd appreciate that. We'd be glad to look at whatever you want us to on our website. I'll put a link to our website in the description below also, in case you want to contact us there. We do a lot more than trading reviews. We do a lot of, really our website is mostly about internet marketing and how to make money online, but we see day trading as a way to make money from home, a way to make money online. and as a business, if you run it as a business, it can be a very good startup business. And with a company like TradeNet, you can get started, as I said, for $500. So you can't really start a business that cheap in many other ways. So we recommend you take a look at it. Again, subscribe to our channel and let us know what you think. Thank you.